Hi everybody, Lisa here. Today I'm going to do another Dutch pour, but I'm going to do it a little different. I'm going to use black as my base coat, or my base color, and I'm going to do a series of puddle pours. I have Spot On Treadmill lubricant in each one of my colors. The colors will be listed on the video description, and I've set up a little barrier of some canvases so that this paint doesn't fly all over the place and onto my new monitor because I don't know how this is going to work for me. I've seen people that do it neatly, and then I've seen people that have paint everywhere. So just to be safe, I've got like a little barrier set up here. You guys can't see it. So let's get started. This ought to be funny actually. I've seen people do these and some of them are absolutely gorgeous and then others not so much. And I'm hoping mine is the gorgeous one, but probably gonna end up being the not so much one. And I'm working on a 12 by 12 stretched canvas. So from what I see, everybody puts their paint on and then they put like a barrier in front of this of the color that matches the canvas. So I have the black, but I put silicone in this. I didn't put silicone in the one on the canvas. So kind of pour a little barrier like that. Oh my God, I just know this is gonna be a mess, but I have to try it. The premise is you're supposed to blow it back and then blow it this way. And I am going to put my blow dryer on low. Maybe I need to put it on high. It doesn't seem to be blowing very well. Watch out everybody. Okay, that's actually kind of cool, and I did not make one bit of mess, so I'm happy with that. Look at the cells in that, beautiful. I love the black background. I actually like that better than the white. Okay, I'm really happy with this. Let's torch it a little bit. Wow, I'm impressed. I impressed myself. Okay, I've got to say I am a fan of the Dutch pour, and I'm really happy that this came out like this. So I'd like you guys to stay tuned for some close-ups, and I want to thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.